All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Thank you to each and every one of you guys for, tuning in on a day-to-day basis and, joining the Crypto ZX army. A lot of newcomers coming in and you guys are absolutely killing it with the support. So continue supporting and you will continue to see these updates. You guys know I make these updates around this time. And, like I said, I will continue to do so. We're back on track. This is like the fourth day in a row, and it's going to continue like this. So I really need your guys' support. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. But now let's get right into it. So as we're approaching Friday morning, you're seeing majority of the coins across the board right now, seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. You're seeing Link really carrying the overall top 100 coins. You're seeing H bar up 5.1%. But as far as the overall market goes, you're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. And now you guys probably are wondering, why is that the case? The reason as to why that's happening is because we have seen Bitcoin once again see a little bit of a minor pullback at that key resistance level. But let's take a look at Pepe, down 5.7% on the daily time frame. Remember, just a continuous reminder for everyone, on the monthly time frame, Pepe is still up 91.8%. So the price, that's obviously something that a lot of people care about. Obviously there's still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 1006, down about 5.8% in all three comparatives: Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum. Comparative market cap, on the other hand, around $4.23 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is below $1 billion, to be exact, around $900 million. So, we need to keep the entire market structure into consideration. You're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, nothing too crazy, but let's continue. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys know the first thing I'm going to take a look at is the holder count. Holder count, believe it or not, is still up compared to yesterday. We're up about 0.035%, new holders coming in, and of course that is really, really nice to see. And now if we're looking at the total meme coins combined in terms of market valuation, 55.2 billion, has gone down a little bit compared to yesterday, but nothing too crazy. Now if we were to continue down, you are seeing, before any of the haters really come and speak, you want to be taking a look at, in the last 24 hours, pretty much all the big boys have gone down. You're seeing Dogecoin down, you're seeing Shiba Inu down, you're seeing Pepe, Dogwood Half, Floki, Bonk, boom. This goes on and on. And a lot of people are wondering, this Pepe coin and Pepe, which one is the real one? And the reason as to why this one's gaining a lot of traction is because this one, believe it or not, came out before this Pepe. But the ones that got listed, the one with the bigger community, is this one right here. And is Binance really going to go ahead and list another Pepe coin? I don't think so. Is Coinbase going to put another one on their futures platform? I don't think so. So I think that this one has that edge against it. Obviously, in terms of luck, this one didn't get as lucky as this one did. I remember the launch. If you've been following my channel from the beginning, you remember how Pepe launched, and it literally shook the entire space, and it's continued to shock the entire space as we speak, as we are going further into the bull market. But that's enough with the overall meme coin market. So far so good, loving what I'm seeing. But let's take a look at the price of Bitcoin. So pay attention to this. As I said earlier in the video, you did see BTC come across a little bit of a resistance at the 66,500 zone, which is a key resistance. We did see a little bit of a minor pullback, and this has impacted the entire market. And on top of that, due to seeing a little bit of a minor pullback, we did see the dominance. Look what happened with dominance. Dominance went up, and of course that is going to impact altcoins as well, especially because Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor pullback. But nonetheless, things are looking really, really good, believe it or not. But I'm going to take a look at Pepe's price, see what is happening and what we could be seeing happening. So what you're seeing right now with Pepe is, we are being supported. It literally goes back to, that March 9th zone. This March 9th zone is the previous all-time high. You need to be paying very close attention to that. And so far, we're seeing quite a bit of support around this range. And as of now, what you're seeing Pepe do is it's bouncing back and forth around that level. Pepe does want to break towards the upside. We can clearly see that. But, due to this Bitcoin shakeout, it will impact Pepe. And that's what you need need to start understanding. But I'm liking what I'm seeing. Of course, we still have about 4 zeros in front of the price, but now the main question that a lot of people have is, what if this support at 98, 97 does not hold? What's the next major level of support? So the next major level of support is around this 96.47, and even if that is not able to hold, then we could be making our ways down to this 93.39. That would be the next major support line, in my opinion, if we were to lose this one. So that could be a move of about like 6% down. Again, these types of moves can happen in a snap of a finger. If Bitcoin decides to retest 65k or go below that, and I think Pepe is going to see that easily, or even go below, maybe down to the 91.79, which is the strongest support line in my opinion. And again, if you want to put that one into perspective, that's almost a 9 to 10% move. So those are some realistic price targets that you need to keep in mind if Bitcoin were to lose its position where it's at right now. And we could see that happening. We're approaching the weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see a lot of manipulation across the board. And even if Pepe were to see that retested down there, and potentially even at that key resistance at the 85.22, let's face it, that's still okay. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this. You guys know I keep it 100% neutral. We take a look at the most realistic outcome, and you want to be taking a look at BTC right now. Bitcoin's still showing a lot of strength, but you need to be prepared for the worst for Bitcoin, especially in terms of manipulation. And obviously we're approaching the weekend, so number one, it's going to be really important to see how Bitcoin closes tomorrow. Tomorrow's daily candle is going to be really, really important to see how that reacts. And on top of that, you really want to see, obviously, Pepe hold at this key support line, which I've mentioned to you guys around this 92.83. But, we need to understand, this is one of the top performers in the top 100 coins. And in terms of meme coins as well, this is one of the top performers. So you need to understand that it's been in this upward trajectory while the entire market was lagging behind. Start understanding that. Start understanding how the market works. Start studying that. So, even if we were to see after here, let me give you a quick reminder once again, after having a rally of 185%, guys, 185%, a pullback down to the key support line at 85 zone is not too crazy. In my opinion, that's a healthy correction. And again, we're looking at a 26.32% drop. And again, that's the worst case scenario in case, Bitcoin were to retest back down to 60K. Obviously, I think that is a realistic target that we could be aiming for. But, the battle is still going on. There's a lot of new comers coming into the block, as far as new meme coins go. So it's going to be really, really interesting to see. We are having, Dog with Hat, as well as, some of the Solana-based meme coins starting to gain traction. So, this battle is going to be very interesting. But I'm up for it. I cannot wait to see what happens. Thank you so much for your support. We'll see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.